Okay, everybody, Wolf Polar here to tell you how to survive in the savannah. See, look at the savannah. Massive. Huge savannah, not a tree in sight. Now here we come up. Look, alright, been here. Alright, we've been out here for nearly a week. My food rations are running low. Oh, and the water situation is doing no better. Luckily, we have come across a stream. Perfect. Is that? Well, there's something there. Well, there's something to. Hey, we can't use that. Time to drink our own urine. Alright, I got my urine here. Alright, I got my urine here. Tastes pretty bad. Smells pretty bad, but it's gonna taste phenomenal. Oh, it tastes amazing. Oh, alright. Hey, so now that we have that sorted out, we are going to need to get some food, because boy am I hungry. Hey, I'm going to get some. Now we're going to need to look throughout the savannah to find sticks. I'll see you when I find one.